Welcome to DataFest, an annual celebration of data, innovation, and collaboration. Every year, students from all kinds of disciplines come together and will focus on a data set that came from ASA. And so this is a very exciting opportunity, a chance for students to jump into real-world data sets and prepares them for their next steps in their careers.
A lot of the people that are here, and myself included, are working with teams with people that we've never met. Being able to say, hey, I don't know anything about you. Let's work together to try to do this great big task within 48 hours.
It has been really fun working on the team. We have lots of different skill sets. We have a graphic designer. We have people who are better with the programming. We have people who are better with visualizations. We're really excited to be able to put all that together.
It's a big playground to play with data, and I am definitely learning a lot. With data, if you don't make the connections to what it means, it's just a whole bunch of random information. Looking at it from a story perspective and just understanding like, these are real people, these are students, and so you gotta make sense out of the data.
Everything deals with data, so if you are a network engineer or a data analytics, it definitely gives you that challenging aspect.
I was definitely proud of the work that we did, that we actually even finished the competition. Anyone who wants to do like public speaking or just presentations, and it'll be a good experience for everybody.
This is a great opportunity to work with professionals and other students to be able to really experience the environment of being a data scientist. Keeps me wanting to come back.